to school now.
Ready for go school?
Yeah.
Alright, that is it. Alright now. You see for the first time you watch the channel, what them for do?
Subscribe and hit the button.
Notification button, like and share, tell the world. Watch a movie, you know what I mean? You don't know the movie name?
And share with your friends.
Share with your friends and family. Yeah man, that is it man. She a go to school, we a go to work, you watch a movie, you go to work. You know what I mean? So the one name, new rules. You know what I mean? Let's go. So now that I have your undivided attention, right? From one day, I have to link up.
I like your place, though. It look nice.
You know, you may talk to you a while ago. You have
Yeah,
cut me,
yeah.
so I watch a place. So no man, I hear a place to man. From me, I hear a place. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So what may I say differently though? I never really get the time to really talk to you much. We just one and two people talking in the street. You say you like me. You say I like you too. You know? You say my head big. You say your head big too. You know what I mean? So we just want a good normal conversation. I roll one and two joke. Yeah, but now that we get there, so now, you know what I mean? We like to get to know you differently. Because for my time, I know what you see. It's not really that. You know what I mean? So tell me more about yourself and I can tell them what you want to know about me.
Just tell me anything, you listen and then
Oh.
me tell about myself.
Well, I and I is Rastafari. Humble youth, you know what I mean? Think that I'm a too kind youth, you know what I mean? And faithful, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't cheat and I don't eat, you know what I mean? So,
You mean you don't eat?
it's a long run, you figure it out.
Alright.
Yeah. So, let me say now, apart from that now, I'm a hustler. I continue doing work. One better, I'm an idealist. I believe in ideas that I use to further myself in life. So I believe I'm goal oriented. You know what I mean? I've set some goal in life to accomplish some things. So that's basically me in our, not in our, but in our bright light. That's what I mean. In our good light, I'm just telling you who I am. So tell me more about yourself.
Well, as you can see, I'm a normal girl. My family, they have money like that. My father wore a piece of land.
Your father what?
Whole land. Have land.
What's your father's name?
Matalan. Matalan.
Oh,
Yeah.
Matalanimo. Matalanimo. What
Well,
name
no.
there? Your mother who?
She has sandals, one other like that.
Oh, she has sandals.
Yes.
Sandals!
Yeah, that's the reason why I don't do nothing right now, because I have money like that. I need no job.
So that means I'm not for mine then.
No, you're not in mind me, but you know what you give me give you. Can't do that.
This sound good, man. May I go there then, man?
Yeah, that's the reason why
Most of the girls them would have a tech, but alright, so how one you so education wise now?
Well, we got 14 subjects, you know.
14 subjects?
Yeah, we could have get any job more, but show my parents them rich,
Yeah.
you know, just use them money instead.
Well, I did try take the common entrance and it never worked out. I went to school, and when I went to school, for the test day, I just asleep. So, I not get to pass none of the test them, none of the subject them. I just jump asleep in my class them. Every class I go jump asleep. Because I tell them they go club. As a school, I touch club. You know what I mean? I touch club straight through. I touch club. I jump asleep in my class them, so I don't pass my subject them. I just write my name on it, so I don't mark for that.
Oh, you know, say, and me have a diploma.
You have you have a diploma too?
Yes.
So you know the foreign life, girl?
Yeah, tell you.
Alright,
It's
so
not it.
yeah man, so
Me a la sweat. If I not even work good.
no, you see with the amount of qualification I have, we soon can afford the whole place in the AC, but the crap bill them so high, so I'm not really everything that I gauge them down, but them blow slower. If you want a real cool breeze, you have to go out there and like apple tree or like breadfruit tree. But like when you're there now, you stand, if you stand as a battle and one of them, you can put up together and give it some AC. And give it some
You
like
can do that.
No, yeah, man.
But anyways, you're not hungry now, I'm going to something for you.
It's me now. No, you know. You just come and now, you have to watch and see what you do.
Okay, alright.
I am very skeptic. For what I see on the phone with going with Alice, I don't trust nobody around food. I have to do the food myself.
Okay, I hear you.
Alright, so I'm not saying nothing about you different.
So maybe come in, go in our bedroom now.
Listen, not so fast. You go and let your one go. Go look in the bedroom, go look in the bedroom.
You don't look young.
After your place, moving on run right now. Anything you want, you go get. Look around the bedroom, the whole place. Circle the whole place. Looking at the bathroom. Bathroom can want clean out though, okay? You know, so many times, you know, lift up and sit down in me pee-pee. So look at pee-pee might up on the seat there. Van Direct man. Welcome me to TikTok world. Yeah man, me new upon the black man. Yeah man. Yeah man. Burn it down to the ground man. You see? Terrace in the building too man. What you talk about? TikTok to the world man. What you talk about? Yeah man, welcome me to TikTok man. Fire rat. One king. One fire. You know what I mean? New night place man. Want to get to the 1,000, you know. So we can do some things, you know what I mean? Get involved. If I have to thing them there, and where the fans them there, we have to do there. You know what I mean? Alright, a new movie and now same speed. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so that is it man. So look out for your bag of things going on. You know what I mean? JAMMIWOOD to the world. You know what I mean? Bright and early. See there? Yeah man. Me go and catch some of the dance them too. Cause I do two of the dance them I can catch same speed. Cause I original skank in there. Can see put them there a long time we have the dance. But I don't name to them. But I will show you what I want. So yeah man, so new entry to TikTok. Fire us in our building. You know, from the movie world. Yeah man, so welcome to TikTok world now. Welcome I and I. Yeah man, follow it up. See them now, fresh. One fire. Yeah man, fire night. Real man. This look good. I'm gonna post it. Get 2 followers and 5. Yeah man, that is it man. I have to try something urgent now. Can't stick to the lane thing. No, I'm not that. I'm not that right now. And then not that. Well, I go on. I picked up my dep and I go on fresh up myself, you know what I mean?
Oh, come here, out here on your phone.
Yeah man.
Here on your phone.
Yeah man, want something I go on in a TikTok world I know. You know what I mean?
So you go on TikTok and now.
Yeah, I think I'm TikTok, but I sign up upon it, you see, just sign up on it today. You know what I mean? If you want to find me, you can find me. But I don't tell you them something here, and I feel bad. Alright, so.
Me find it on my phone and follow you. I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright.
So you see I do the phone, you know?
I know, yeah. I know, I just stay and go on all one vibes. I work tomorrow. So, I'll be here in a fall, so I'm going to go on all the time, same speed. You good though?
Yeah, mommy just don't need to up on your phone.
You know nothing though?
Not really, we don't really have nothing to do right now.
Alright, so I today I'm up on the road and I find an idea for a movie. I want the movie to write. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Alright, so you can write it?
Yeah, me can write.
Alright, so you find no pen in there and come. I want to move here already. So you find no pen in there.
Alright, we're supposed to have one pen in there now.
Search it and try to come. I think that
you know, so me can't find no pen though.
Look man, look!
Me can't find none. I'm telling you for right there, you say me can't read and write already. Me can't find no pen, you know. How in it? Me can't find no pen.
We have 2 pens here still, so we have focus on the pen. But anyway, we'll just get 2 poles, so alright, here. Come. Work with the pencil then. Pencil right, that's the same man. They tell me say I have 13 subjects, so I'm supposed to have no problem with you. Alright, so we get a wicked idea. You know what I mean? It's like more put over on the pencil.
So why are they back time and idea you want?
No, we just want to start him. No, we're not going to make it long. Alright now. So the story, write the title of this story. Wait there. Alright. My name, I'm find him, what name for a movie now? Alright, here it come now, here it come. Alright, we now find the name. First continue, just start right there, don't forget him. No, but the name will come. The name will come. That day will come, Carl. That day will come. That's the name of the movie. That day
be
will
honest,
come.
no, me can't read.
You can't what?
Can't read.
Read is different from, we know why you read it. You know right yet. And me, go
Well, you have to go spell what you want for it, because me can't spell.
What are you talking about?
Me can't read or write or spell nothing.
Mama, when me and you just start talking, listen back. I narrate yourself for me. Listen, please stand so.
So me can't go answer.
No, but when me and you buck, you tell me say you have 13 subjects.
That about then.
So then disappear over time since me start talking.
Well, better than I. Well, I feel get somebody for right. Get somebody for right there, no man.
Listen me. To somebody write a movie. I could have write it, but the price go dead. But like when me as a talk and somebody write it. And me take you up as a girl, we can read and write and thing. I tell me say you can't read and write. You hurt I. May I tell you, I feel hurt.
Well, I don't my fault. My parents never did that in a good school, so.
Mama, don't blame it on the school.
Not my fault, and parents them fault.
How come for them fault? You look like you didn't have me while I lunch money for you go to school, you know.
Me never did go to school often.
Ah, you name your name Bambula too much time.
Me never did go to school often.
I know half thing you go to school to read and write, you know. You could have done your yard and learn to read and write if you really want to read and write. You know what? You go start at church. So when you read in the church, you follow the words then. You follow the words then. You read the Bible by reading the Bible. You go up on the phone and you type.
Don't worry yourself, this is all that me can read.
No, it's bad. Listen me now, you want to learn, you're never too old to learn. You go up and you go find the scripture, like you find John, St. Mark, Luke and John 13, Leviticus 5, 6, and you go play upon the YouTube and then
so why you not teach me to read?
You have to run more right movie. Listen to me, a teacher. Me a contractor. You take up a contract, hard working man. Me provide food for you and everything. What you want me do? Me no teacher. But me I tell you something to you. You tell you. What you say to me?
Teach me to read.
Listen me a no teacher. Me not say no. No, listen me. Me done calculating in my mind already. Maybe can't teach or me can calculate.
Well, get somebody for it.
No, you don't have to tell me what to do, man. Me done go read because the movie must do. So you may say no, what you should do. Listen me and say what you should do.
Yeah.
While me I write movie and do I do, you take up the same phone where you watch TikTok and everything, pan, and you learn how to read from it. The YouTube they can teach you. Listen me now. I want to teach you something now. Teach me how to when you listen me keenly. You take up the phone down and you get the Bible and you find the scripture, you type in it on the phone and the voice will read it. While I read it, you look funny. But sometimes when I read something, you see light and turn red. Just like I go karaoke. Which I figure say I can't read, you know. Because when we go a karaoke and the sing say, I believe I can, I say, I'm the child of and I'm on the I mean, so when I sing, she can't sing, but you're not even know A from B. Anyway, that good.
So I can't deal with me, sir.
Me not deal with no, you're too live. You're too live. People them good at face I sing, I can't sing. When I read, I can't read. So I believe I can fly the pan here and say, too bad.
Is it easy, huh?
You know, easy. You get what you want out of me already.
I'm not getting out of you, certainly.
What you get enough. You get enough. You lie yourself, yo. I wonder how much lie you tell me. I would wonder how much lie you tell me.
One lie me ever tell you that this a liar.
So tell me the truth now. Matalan your father for chum?
Who?
Matalan them. We can't get land from us, isn't it? Can I tell one of my families that we go get land, you know? Tell me that Matalan your father.
Yes.
Are your father? Oh. Oh. Come me just don't have a nervous breakdown. Cause if you tell me say Matalan your father, I say, alright then. Matalan never lot of land. So we know that at least you have land. Well, that's one part there, you know. Alright, so differently though. Your mother really have shares in a Sundance show though. And the money freeze.
I'm not worried about
You're both a cousin of you. No ramp for me now? No ramp, you're both a cousin for real, right? You better make sure.
What do you say?
You better make sure. Cause you say time you get the money for SSL, me go get some more tight. Can you go give your mother money and me go get the money? You shouldn't be like that, tell me now.
You want to ask me, mother?
No, not ask your mother. You better know. So, but me have to start. Me go write a new rule. You can't read, so me have to read it to you. I write a new rule in ya. Any lie come from thy tongue. Relationship done.
And where you go?
So make a call.
Go on.
The movie must go.
Go on. Jesus, how me I go to know? Everything when me tell him a lie. Me don't even know who near Matalan. You know what? I'm gonna calm me, man, now. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, good night. You don't know me too much, man. As man, me hear you get your number 1 year. Yeah, I'm getting number. Yeah, I saw me say me nosy. Me no nosy pal, but me nosy. So me get the number and just ring a bell in my ears. But me yeah tell them something say you're right, this you're right, that you write songs my time and this. So tell me if I write song, me say I can't read and write, right? You can spell and really. Yeah, me have a woman here, boy, in tell me something like saying could I read and write, and now we find this brilliant idea to write a movie. And now she can't read and write, she can't know, she know A from B, she don't know ha from who. You know what I mean? So me know still man just can't call you. Just forgive me man, but the money me I talk about, yeah, I want to pay you because I want the movie right, I mean I have the time. I want to write the idea out of my head, but if I take it out of my head and put it in a book, that means I can try to start figure out somebody to shoot it.
Mommy, you know say man find out say I lie me and tell him no. He find out say me can't read and write. Y'all tell me if you tell him say my father name Matalan. And now he asks me and me tell him say yes I'm my father. You over there so nice and good in me over here so in hot water. Me don't know what to do right now. Yeah. Suppose you want to spend 2 nights over there. What me I gonna do?
Yes, me can give you 9,000.
If you tell him say you say boat and my cousin. Me don't even know you said boat.
10 then. 10. Nah, take like one look story. Just one look story. Our first movie now, I'm look. Just one look story, man. Alright, so tomorrow, what about tomorrow? Tomorrow good for you? Yeah man, me have the utensils there. Me have a pencil and the book already. You don't need to come out of work here. You just come and just write a story and collect a little 10 grand and me good and you good.
Don't forget that the type of money they from. You see you put me in all of the match up there now. And me alone in a hit. What? Later me talk to you because in the yard in the veranda right now. So later.
I don't know if I call upon the wrong time when you're man a dugu. But anyway, I'll make you go back to whatever you do. I don't want to know if that you do and what me just say dugu because I'm all veteran, I'm all sold. I'm old boy. Yeah man, so Pando. Sorry, alright, me now going to get too bright. Alright, enough respect though. Enough respect. Go back to dugu. See that? See that? Get somebody to do this so you're not poor yourself. You know what I mean? Because you want to lie. Well, I'm not sure, but in your rule still, one more lie, I find one more lie, so you tell me, relationship done. You cook?
No, I get to cook.
Alright. But your belly full though. I see you sweat. Your belly full though.
Yeah, right. You're full, but you're alright.
Alright, well, things you have to cook, you know, cook. So, that's all to you. But anyway, I have something to eat on the road. I have work to do tomorrow, so I'll go grab one something to eat on the road at the same time. If you see how they eat, make sure it's right here.
Yeah.
So, let me come in back later. You understand?
So what time you are coming?
When I come, man. Nobody tell me when to go, when to come. Because I work. I'm a working man, I'm not an eyeglass, you know. You know, pick up a boy, you know. Or come around, you know. Or I say jump too high, you know. No man, no me that. Me at work. You think you want, you get to see one new hairstyle? New hairstyle. Right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, you take all of my money and do that for door. Pay say that cost 25,000. Well, I ain't go pay for it. But anyway.
Later.
I love kiss your teeth, so. Huh? I'm here kiss your teeth, Alpha?
No man, I know you.
Oh, but stop kiss your teeth. Come and buy a calculator and everything there for you. So if something is stuck in your teeth, you brush it out and floss it out.
One day I'll be
Get up out of bed. Every day you're in a bed. You're in a bed. Get up out of bed, man. You're get up out of bed and walk your flow. Because if I want good right now, I still have my work. I still have my work, you know. I still have my work. Every morning you want. Every morning I go work late, you know. Come out of bed, fine walk. Come out of bed and fine walk. Every man in a bed. No have no for do me alone like get up and go for road and look walk. Yeah, get up out of bed and go look walk.
Alright. Oh.
Get up and fine walk.
But I'm hungry, I want something to eat.
You want something to eat? If I did help me with something that in the kitchen right now. I look at things that me have look sugar in there and 2 slices of bread. Go be a whole and the next one. You still it down. Take this on me. Yeah, smelly. You say it's sweet at all? You hot?
Fresh.
Fresh. Oh, if you need help. if I need help, more sugar over there in my place. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. Hurry up. Me say if you hurry up.
I'm going.
And don't come back in the house without money. And don't come back over here without a job.
Oh, you probably there now.
When time you say if you just make it so keen.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Make it so keen and then him walk out.
Why you skip it? Why? Nah, not happen, man. You know say a small sitting you have to write.
I don't
Say you want me to go write then look something here. You know say a small.
I want to look a movie, man. There's something go on in the mind. When you take off the read,
So one on there, like go on there, look you sitting. Me I'll get more money for how you pay me. How much you pay me?
me done to the price already, so you get $10,000, you know.
No, but you see me hand start help me already I won't say a 4-page right already in a 4-page.
Alright.
And you still a go.
I'm gonna put 1,000 on it.
No, it ain't 1,000. Yeah, like you know me I feel.
But some no money on time in a busy night, you know. You can't do pressure me, you know. Alright. Me put 2,000 on it then, man.
And when I make money out of it, you still give me a thing.
Listen, you're right, me I pay you. So we don't know about no else. But anything go on, we're not too mean, we're not too stingy. So, alright, 15 on the final, you know, ask about nothing more. Just right there. I might dream, you know. Because you know, so me really want to get into the movie thing the real way. You know what I mean? So me right, that's cool.
Alright, after you say if you make it so key, what else after that?
But if you make it so key now, he walk out of the place and him see the next virgin I do and him push him like, come out of here, man, like them I do. Pretend to have like
a drugs.
Like drugs.
Alright.
So come now. But you understand the story though?
Yeah.
But it sounds so far.
You know what I'm saying? So like it will be a good big hit.
Good big hits, alright.
Good and big.
Alright. Alright. So go up and work now, man. Go on.
Can't afford it.
No man, turn up out of some man. And there's the things that I know I'm bar this, you know. I'm yard. There's a woman in there, no man, I work, she work.
Yeah, when me do want to see, I don't know what I'm going to do today, but I'm going to get a day work.
I may have some little painting to do, you know what I mean? I'm not too like the smell like paint still, so we could carry out there. But give me some time there, give me about the next hour. So I come back about the next hour, an hour sharp, you know. Because past that hour, I'm gone left here, you know. And it's somebody to do work. So you're good though?
Yeah man, we're good man.
Yeah, it's good for know say you want to work still because them love to say Jamaica people don't want to work. But you gonna make it if you continue working. Where did the money do?
Save me and save man.
Save it. I hope say now save it on the bridge, you know.
No sir.
Eh? You know save it on the bridge?
No that. I save if you do different things.
So I know some of the time when I save money and save your every bank and you can get a jar, you know what I mean, because I found a jar out to the money done. Alright, check me now hour time, you know what I mean?
I don't know, I wouldn't want to go there.
So I want to make the right money for?
Nah man, you got to listen now, a big money me talk about a while ago, you know. Remember say one day work, this is not day work money, you know, I'm doing this. So they are giving me till you're 15. So more talk about the rest.
Yeah, talk to your sister.
Listen! No point sister time, talking stuff on fear time when we gone. But you know, you can tell her say you go call her back. But we go work hard with you and go with you. We're going to do some work.
Alright, Serena. Hi baby, I'm so called about me there work. Me do something. Alright, baby.
Alright. Alright, so we're probably there now.
But when he walk out and push drugs like they don't know it, like they don't know one another.
So drugs go back over to the bar now and go ask Derek what will they take place? Where man them on the other now? You know what I mean? And then let them on the way I show him 100, so yo, next time, man, one try next time, I come back and I play the table and watch every money I spend, When them there, whenever they are nothing at all. You know what I mean? And this and that and rare. Same time now, two new girls. After that now, 2 new girls are coming to them. And come back to Derek and Jones. Remember there. Now come there.
You all just sit down, you're not going to work.
Yeah, me I got work, but me I try write up a movie fast so I can show you.
I hope I know my money I take give the girl there, you know. Can we see 2 and sit down what I like say?
You have to pay her right, she write the work, she work.
Work miss.
Because one thing, I could have made you write the story, but every letter in the alphabet, me can go show you write like a capital K, and then I don't know if you when you go to school and you have all your lunch money, you know, you learn much. So I mean, and everybody can learn. So I find somebody who can write it, so if she can write it, if you couldn't write it, she won't there.
Well, do what you have to go on work. You hear me tell you?
I'm so forward, go on in, so you know you're in life. Go on in, man. And you mash up my dream.
Me not mash up no jeans. Me not mash up no jeans for you know.
You don't hold me
know where you are talking.
You hold me down.
You think? Alright, sir. Give me a say nothing. See have a good mind does pies him too. I can't chat about this and that and me no know a fan this and that. What my child say to me? Me prize him food, you know, man. You say me don't love him. I can't chat about that basics alone. Me want.
Yeah, listen, sorry about that. That's men are good, man. That's all.
Good.
Yeah, that's all I should want.
Alright, one next. After the girl then go over to them, what happen?
Then go back to them and then the girl what them I do? What's the after club party, what them I do? And them said if they have money and this and that. And the judge say, you know what you say?
House girl now go to
we don't know. Come, right in. Fast. Come here for cut. Come here for go myself. Give me a phone, because you have to take too long. You can't go to work, you know, really and truly.
Look how long if you're
come here for work, the work, you get pay you. Come.
Remember, I have to do it for me. I don't think I have my money live.
Don't worry about that. Come. Not like keep on sponge, you know. Yeah, man. So you go. Start then, so 2 girls gonna come over, and then they go ask them if they do business or they have no money. They could have enjoy the night with them, and then can do them all of them fantasies and everything they want. Them can get it done. So the girl might talk and rare. Same time, sitting there, imagine name drugs. Did they? But did drugs ask them after when boss start about money one?
Yes.
And tell my lady, so now out and door now he look and he see team Reggie a pass. What name? Reggie a pass. He say, why go on Reggie? And then go out of the bar, go talk to Reggie, and ask Reggie if you want a girl them too. And Reggie said, anything, you can get one girl ready to. So one of them get one girl and then just close out in the night, just close out with that. You know what I mean? But the next day now, that's when drugs can link Derek by himself and I said to him, so yo, we really have to get some gun to tune up, because them boy, they say them plan for you, you know, come run in, you know, you come back next year, you have money and you know, you have to straighten up yourself, you know what I mean? You have to go do something, you have to go martial art class or something, because they will kill up the truth, you know what I mean? So, just write on them part, anything you don't know, more voice note to the rest of the story, alright? Alright, so let's go on the work. Alright. So we're climbing already, no? Alright.
So, hot, you know.
So really and truly now, after me buy pumpkin, me buy cat soup, me buy everything necessary for you make some something, right? And I ram in the truth to make to me.
Well, later me I cook some food, so later you get food. You know, tomorrow I get soup. Tomorrow I cook soup.
Work me up from my child, you know. I really want some.
Me I cook food, you know. Flour, banana, pumpkin and everything in there.
Alright. You know, where's the pumpkin though? You
No, sir.
One little piece of pumpkin.
One little piece me cook.
Because pumpkin is for me alone.
One little piece me cook, man.
Alright, sorry for that you do.
Alright. Drink your soup.
Come here. Hold out your hand.
Let him bowl up my hand, fam. That hot, you know?
I'll cool it first. You say you love me, you know, because you can't choose it and you take it in your hand. Because that's love.
Yeah, that is love, so make a put me hand make a food.
Yeah, that shows say love. That's love.
Me prove you one if
Come.
Can I style this man?
I never did when I make it. Drink some. I'm going to check my out. Oh, thank you. I check if I drop down around here.
Yeah, you know, man, where you
Can't trust me all the time, you can't trust me nothing. And I have to trust my shadow. Must trust my brother. Even to the most side, if thanks to life. Well, I don't like that something else still, but if I drink the pride still and survive it. Survival spree. And you know what? I think I'm going to go check on me. The drink. I know when I must have cooked tomato or stew down there. You know what? If I don't do it. I so forward, I'm going to get a call, you heard?
Alright.
Me have to come.
When you come, you get your dinner.
Alright.
Where money there?
Which money?
No bother with you, no.
No money, me broke. Look. Me broke, me no money.
Oi, me see you come ask to work, you know. And you tell us, say, in the next hour, you know, and I know you go work, you know. So you know, when you work, you know, your money to go. Wait, you see, if me not get the money by this evening, I barely to your skin. You hear me say?
You don't get the money.
Go for your money and come. Wait, stand up. You don't go there, go work already.
Me don't finish it though.
Me not busy to finish it. You collect piece of my money, and when you finish it, you collect the rest.
But me can't get all that money.
No, you wait me back here. Wait me back here. So you run for?
Me not run. You can't get that.
Go collect your money, you can give me. No.
Now simple 5,000 idea.
No. Walla it too. I make sure my lady up on me, you hear me say?
How go on now? You tell her earlier the church you know, to come in your house. So everything done? Paint about it?
Everything done.
So what the pre now? Down here?
I hear me here, you carry on. You eat half a ramen, man.
Yeah man, it was nice.
I'm glad you eat half still.
Yo, I eat ramen.
No sir.
I left it. Oh, I got some eyeglass.
I left
the ramen. Nice plate. I'm going to ramen now. I want to add ramen now. Don't you want to go get it?
That's why I want to call it.
Yeah, so what are the payments now?
Look at money, look at payments when you come pick up it.
See what? Normally, you have to wait until the pay bill done. So now we can't get some more painting left there, you know, done it, is it? So, we can't get a look at change your time, because you know, say, if you never want money on the work, then no pay bill, when you have things out of my pocket, how much money you want, so what you going to do?
That does sound good to talk about it.
Alright, may I get enough money you can buy groceries and buy in the bank before you put your money. What's wrong?
Alright, look at me.
Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, man.
Deliver.
Yeah, that make it.
You mean by that cake?
You won't not done me have more work, so me have to get that half I grab.
No, you can't.
It's my job.
Oh, so my job. Just make sure say. So when I get the rest of my money, just you know me live still.
I can't find.
You see, if you knock me not there, you take time and push it on I do. You see me? You see, if I can't push it on I do, you put it on the ground and put one big stone on it or find one block put on it. You know if you look. You understand? So hurry up. Move up, man, move up. Make sure you don't come more than $5,000 too. How you take me for sweets, girl? But then I'm going.
Me there too, I'm not sure from it.
I don't know, say, I never there in a place.
I mean, I never there in a place.
I never feel good, man, so I never come on the road, I there stay in and so on. I never feel good, so I never really get time to go to work.
Oh, I feel say avoid me in a car.
No man, no, me only avoid you. No sir.
I think I look funny time, but a long time I don't see you. Man. So I can't go on, you know nothing to give done.
You know what, so I really have nothing.
You know nothing to give done.
You know, see I want to look at 5 grand, me have no food, me have nothing more. 1 5 grand, me just
right,
get in the food.
Give me it. Alright, thank you. So when I can link you again? P10 time whatever.
Link me Thursday evening.
Alright, so Wednesday morning. Alright.
Thursday evening.
Big up yourself. Wednesday morning.
You can't give me like a bit more time, man.
Thursday evening.
Thursday evening, me a big do.
Alright, Thursday evening, be 12 grand then.
But you stay, you say.
I must say, you give me some money this night. Alright. Let's see how you beg me, I'll give you. But don't hide me again.
Me never hide, man. Me just catch dengue fever.
Yes, what I go on to show. You believe in?
Alright, you can't take time and go on.
Pick up yourself, yeah?
Alright. Friday morning.
Thursday evening.
Mami no comida. Llámala. Oye, me acá le voy a mirar que tiene. Territory surprise me again. Aquela aqui no café phone. Que a amarelo do suéter cominha. Olha esse suéter cominha. What time?
I say,
look on the time. 11 minutes after 5. Yeah?
I don't wish me do.
So how me I call them and get you?
No, my phone drop in a paper car, paint what me get, my phone drop in a paper, maybe a coffee car, I don't pay, I don't play.
So you don't pay, I don't play?
No, I don't pay me, so man.
So, where close them then? Where close them then?
Take off it.
Take off it?
Yeah, through my just on the paper. No, put another person for
So.
You know, me get me present from them and I feel back.
So when money we get you
and tomorrow me get pay, me not finish paying.
Tomorrow
me not finish paying yet. Me not finish paying yet. I'm waiting tomorrow. What is that?
Sleep. Make sure you get your pay tomorrow and not come in at my house without no money. Alright. So money.
So how much you give me?
Go on your bed. When I get paid, you can help me. Where I come from? No, how where I come from?
Come from walk. Just find the look. Chop in the spoons, huh?
Don't count, me count.
You're nice, isn't it?
How much money is that?
10 grand.
Where is that money? Where is that money?
Well, they owe some people. They owe Miss Betty. They owe Miss Carly.
Me too?
They owe Miss Janet. And my baby partner. So I raise me careful.
So how me don't know about them messing? How me don't know about them messing? Me not know about them.
I like it's like
Me not know about them. Me not know about them.
me talk to you is like we can walk and we take one or two so I'm on time.
When I
So
do
I'm people.
so much me
But look how me walk. You know like feed me. You like give me.
who not feed you?
You feel like give me a side you know.
Member say me did that work and I mind you. Member that told me lose my job. Member.
But you never used to give me all that money. Say what do I
Here, me not have to come in and give me all of my money because me I work and I buy food stuff and put in a house.
Stop one.
You know what? You know what? Me I will get one day that man. I'm not going to want to come out of my house. You see me?
Get next month for.
Here, because use up the money. Yeah, use up the money. This can't buy it up put in a house.
You know how much 10 grand can buy me?
This can't buy it up put in a house.
Oh, you want
No, this cannot buy nothing.
Oh, you want two.
You eat. You remember say you eat enough and this cannot buy nothing in our house. Don't want to in your room. Come couple back. Couple things. Come on, tell me home. Come on, tell me home. Get out of the Come on, tell me house. Come on.
Yes, but it's
Come on, tell me
Come
home. Come on, tell me home. Come on, tell me home. Come on. Come on, tell me home. We don't want to in the door. Come on, tell me home. I never, you not come back. I never think you're going to come back. Me say, well, what listen, see, man? I don't even know what me go pick him up for. Look at 10 grand, like 10 grand, can't buy nothing put in my house.
Hello.
What? Where money there?
Oh, yourself, man. Let's go get that.
Today Friday, you know. Friday, me tell her, you know. Say she don't depend me do stuff for man, you know.
Me know, man, but remember say me have a picnic if you take care right now, man.
Yo, you see, he gone up from 10 to 20 right now.
20?
20.
Jesus
no
Christ. So could you put it to 15?
What you want me to do? Link you, want me link you and show you something?
Alright.
Remember you have a picnic over there if you take care.
Alright, me I carry 20 grand come.
But I make sure. Alright. Money man.
You know, so I'm not
So you come up here. Yo, empty your pocket.
the more I'm telling you still, get on my money. Because, when I say, I try extort people. So, you don't know bad money. I say, we don't go and look like I don't know I try extort. So, I tell them, I'm not getting no money.
What you say? You not give me no money?
You know, alright.
Me not no gun.
Where you go?
Me no bad.
Where you go?
Stand up yourself. Don't move. Me a come. Don't move. I don't. Boy, wait. Oh, you run. Better.
They say put it. Alright.
My page job over there to you, watch. Yeah, man, yeah. Just make sure you come pick me up in a man. Yeah. Me up on my yard. Yeah, wait, man. Me not go now. Me just me there and wait. Alright.
I brought my big friend.
Yeah. Man move fast, be your friend. And money you can come.
Which money? I tell you.
I see you run out of this, so most money you can this man. You can't come up and tell this morning.
It's like how I extra me and a bad me up. You know. And me have to talk, you know. So you I have to start having some funds. Go for some money now, man.
Money.
Good and,
Money.
Alright. So I'll have it.
Wait, say you have gone.
Go for money now, man.
Alright, I'm gonna show you something, boy. I'm gonna get no money.
Yo. You got to come in, man. Come sit down. Come sit down, man.
How you get that?
You know where you me get that, me have no way.
No shot in there, no shot in there.
No shot in there. I'm tell you something. Mama, run some, we need some money. You see anything you collect, some of that are for me.
But me not collect nothing yet.
Listen now. You see if you have 100%, 50% of that are for me.
But me not collect nothing yet.
Listen now. You see when me come for the 50% there, and you know want give me full 50, I'm gonna take you 100. So yeah, when you see anything I collect, page me. You have my phone number. Do it like same when you extort me, you call me for money. I'm not calling for my money.
Touch me on the boy. Just watch.
Look at your money come in.
Why it take so long?
The boss up people for their money man. All this.
Yo, man, I get a bullet, you know. I like this.
Later. Alright, check it out.
Wait, so you ready for me to get my money? Alright. Me I come meet you for you right now. Alright. Yeah.
Tell you. Oh, tired. How are you going for that?
Oh, Conchita, take me down the reach for you. So, I agree. I'm going to bed from my sit down and say, I'm going to give you that one thing, man. I'm going to get money from the road today. You may not eat.
You don't need it?
We got to back and come. When I want things, I find money, not to find them.
Nothing in there.
You have money in there?
No.
How money that?
I know.
Look at that thing, girl. This amount of money I don't have here. You don't cook?
I'm not opening up my house.
Shut up and move.
Where are you?
What?
Where are you?
What did I say? Listen to me. New rules. They ask me where me I go. You say that me go through the door there and me come back in and so. They ask me where me I go. And that me make you know they come from chat about where me I go. And me run things going on. I feel like I know. And me and man and this. Come up and ask me where me I go. Very cute.
God. Come. You know me have to cook you all like money out there, but I'm going to go buy for eat. I'm not fond of them. Yo, you know say boy come in here with gun and you take away all the money what me make today. You ain't take away all the money. You come in here with gun. You know you may tell say you come in here with gun. You come like a defy something. What? Your money is sleep. I'm fiddle. Take my gun with my sleep. Alright, I can't do that because I sleep dead too. Alright, may I do that? Alright, later. Okay, so
you say we have a deal with them because we're in a father and we're in a father just like 6 down place.
yes, I go.
Of course.
Everything. So, there is nobody right now, so I can't do what I have to do.
I don't trust that, you know, because you see last time I go over how money I didn't tell them, I said, you know nobody. You say I take a stock, you man come from that bed. I'm not look.
Nobody knows my bed.
Okay.
And by the middle of the money.
You say you know no man then. But you must can flex then.
Where do you know?
Let's go. Wagwan, I'm gonna carry a place. I'm gonna carry a place.
But must say no for your home.
I'm a cousin in general, I'm a cousin.
Your cousin. And when you come on, I turn up like a man.
I better do that shit. No man, when you come in and show fright, just stand up and
stand up.
I show when you come in, me did fright and so me just did turn up one place.
You know what, it's not going to tell you right here. Yo. Let me place no man. Let me place no charging. Let me place no youth. Alright girl, let me tell you something. No. I'm gonna really can't come and place youth. I'm gonna really can't come in and... Yo, I'm gonna say a box of shot. Yo, girl, don't play me here. Don't play me, that man make you come and play. Yo. Then go on the road and come back. I'm gonna come back and get another one in here, you see. Great thing.
Yo. Can't move on. Listen to me. New rules?
Yes.
So get up. Get up. Get up out of my bed.
Yo,
Get up out of my bed.
Shoot me.
Get up out of my bed.
I don't shoot me.
Get up out of my bed. Here I get up out of my bed. Get up out of my bed. Remember me? New rules, so you stick to the rules. hear me?
Yeah, man.
Door and prison making. Listen to me. Give me a sheet. Remember saying no buy none. Here. Put me on the side. Go somewhere. Go. Come on.
Hello, T. Hello.
Wow. Oh, yeah, do yourself.
Girl, I have to come down here to inform you of this news. It may be a bit sad,
No, man,
but
sit down.
I have to come. You can't even too sorry, you know, because kind of really busy at the station. The vehicle then broke down. I have to walk come down here. And no current out there, bag of things that we try to sort out. So here we know. Your boyfriend get locked up. We haven't done it.
What you say to me?
Yeah, your boyfriend get locked up.
For what now?
Him have at least 3 charges. Battery one of them. And a few more. So if you come down to the station, make sure you walk with the documents, your ID, your TRN, etc.
I must joke on me.
Yeah, so you need to come bail him. Serious no tea.
Me
When
ask
you
you
come
why
down
you
here
know.
personally, you must know.
Why? Why you get locked up though?
Right now, your boyfriend have at least 3 charges with stick on him. Wounding with intent, battery, assault type of charges. But at least 3 sticks. So hear me I say now, if you get your documents and come, because you never know, say. You're mad at one part of sandals. You're mad at one part of sandals, I never know about that. Don't cock up and him and the security then go down in a hit. So you need to get your stuff them sorted out and come down to your station so you can set up a deal for him. You need to come down to your station.
Girl, you know, say I lie, me did I tell. But I don't know say you that go down there for true.
Jesus Christ, then you still tell lie, man. You not change all now. You not change. I may have to lock you up too, you know. Careful. But as I say, get your documents them and come down to your station because you have to come bail him. You have to come bail him.
You say me I want you already. You know that. I never know say you that take you serious and go down there for true. But anyways, me I go for me things them I come right now.
You do that and you have to stop telling lies to you know as me say me now and lock you up.
Go on, you know say we are friends long time.
Yeah, but
Ciao.
you stop telling lies to man. Alright, come on the station, come bail him out. See?
Yeah man, me I come.
Alright, mama, take care now.
Yeah. I'm back there. Can't believe so. Jesus Christ. Christ. Let me see past the mouth. Until you make you so serious.
Hear me say now. When you tell me say your mother own part of Sanders, I know say if you say you have something to deal with, so I say I just take 1-2 day vacation up left myself. I'm gonna call you and tell you how them day make me if you want to come join, but just want to take even one day for myself and get some of the drinks and just peel back. When I go there now, a problem. Only if you know say your mother no, after me done fist down to somebody and light one look a place up then I go and a bag of different things. Me realize say they show me on paper say I brush through up them honey and this and that and your mother no own no shares night. That time police done lock me up long time already. They want to say I'm mad, me mad. I'm mad, you mad me then? Because you tell me lie. Let me ask a question now. Your mother really own Sanders?
Me mean say mother was sandals, slippers, name so I dig them in my cell. Me never talk about no hotel or nothing.
While they say woman have 2 tongues. Because you lie through the 2 of them. You lie up top and you lie down. Alright. Me not say next thing to you.
Are you
But we have a new rule. Like when you talk to me, you talk straight. You talk straight to me. Because tomorrow, a different plan, you know. Tomorrow, I go leave it here and I go head straight to town.
And you take it right, you know.
Don't worry about that.
It's your
I understand.
problem.
I know so that cause was Sanders, but I get the mistake then. I mean, me take the blame there. Tomorrow,
What happened to me?
I go shoot out and go so because I want me a previous salon. as he's a father, named Matalan, I will go page him, we could deal with him, because I'm not free for nobody, you know. But if I'm an in-law, then it must have a reason, I'm going to figure out Mr. Land myself. I can't hold as much land.
Do I do?
Alright.
Come by and say,
Come back, you know. Time for your place now. Come back for some money.
You come back for
Remember,
money?
see me and we got in us here now, no talk, you know.
Alright, tell us me. I go for money and come back.
Hurry up, man.
Wait, how much money you want? How much money you want?
Everything we have.
How much money you want? How much money you want? Eh? How much money you want? You know, say you're idiot? Your girlfriend. You know, say your girlfriend at work. Your girlfriend tell me that she don't like you and she don't want you because you're broke. And you can't do work with me. So, I hold up gun over the panel, take your my gun. Go hold up over there for your man.
Yeah, I joke, man. You can't look a joke.
Use.
Which news? I don't have no money. Yet.
You don't have no money?
Hello? May I come check it right now?
No. You don't have no money. Phone. Me get a good piece of money for it. Phone. Come. Phone. Give me your phone. You don't know where you check. Move fast and move.
Let me at least take some of them terms to me.
By later more about money, you know.
Oh, you remember me?
Me remember you.
Remember when me come over here all the
time?
Yeah, you pull gun for me.
Remember you.
You never know so me don't come back and defend you, no? Where you gun?
From police now.
Where you gun?
Which gun?
Where you gun?
Which gun?
You forgot? Remember so me know that, man. Where you gun?
Me don't know gun you out.
Boy, stop telling me lies.
And somebody gun me by that.
What do you mean somebody gun about? Which somebody that?
One girl gun me by.
Which girl? I eat that to take my fuck.
I want girl.
Yo, listen to me, I say, man. Carry me come over there now.
I'm not inform you.
Boy, listen to me, I say, I'm not afraid to shoot you right, I say. So it's either you tell me which part of the gun there, or I shoot you till I right, I say, because I still carry revenge here, you know. So carry me and show me which part of the gun there.
Two me no want to go to jail. Alright.
Pull on this, man. You're a bad man, man. And me and you walk, man.
Alright, go ahead, please. Shut up. Right, go past the sheriff. Right, yo.
Make sure it's not a joke thing. Make sure it's
See
a
you
happy
something.
gun.
And she have to go and she me get the phone. And me carry back the money come for you, man. Carry money come.
Oh, you carry back the money come?
Yeah. Come for money. How about me? See me after.
Don't move.
Like right that back here.
What is gun? Give me gun.
I need
Gun.
Give me gun.
Yeah,
Go, make it.
Yo, come. Yo, listen to me I say now. Come on, that's listen to me I say now. Me ain't a game now, you know. You understand? New police on the block now. So new rules. Turn up for you. Yo, listen to me I say now. They know what go on now. If you told now, I have to go start paying dues. Cause watch you now. Look what I got now. Hello. Listen to me I say. I could have carried the gun and I can get 15 here. And I do it a different way. So it's either you get a 15 here or you're out and just pay the dues and ready. So there's no new rules and all.
I'm saying, well, I'm not going to come now.
Yo, so I say, don't talk, man.
As a payment, no food.
Here.
Let's find my place. I have nothing for you. Let's find my place.
Alright.
Let's make place.
I get rid of
New
police.
rules.
Let's make place.
New rules.
I tell
Remember,
them,
you done did kick me up in a fear house already.
So we are doing a
I'm
house.
going in a force and I could have go in there and kill her, you know. But if you show you all we come from one community, I don't do nothing. Go on, come in and make your work. Go on.
Yeah, mommy. Right now, in Ghana, town about how in Ghana look about land, you know. Then could I lock him up there, he had come tell me this and that. And you know, when he come back, I get kicked out, so I'm in bag, me I pack up and now. What? What you talk about? You know how me I do? Me I come left before he come here. And that me I try to tell you, me I come back and live with you. Cause of you, cause all of this for me, you know. You sound like a him that are coming on. Alright, me talk to you. Me talk to you later, you know how you go now. I come back and live with you or something. Alright, later. I'm going to pop him for him. Push it door coming.
Oh, nobody stop. You know the right thing. Yeah, do it. Can me go Kingston now. So me go claim piece of land, say the girl when me have and father own piece of the land, so me I go talk to them the fraction of piece. Don't go there not even know you. Do all of the people them brown. So you know if you do me not need to talk about it, you know. Because I find out when I go up a sand and security dash me out.
Me I call me.
Yeah, me not see it over there. See it over there. You too lie. No tell me later. You too
lie.
Yeah man, later.
Who too lie?
No, later. Yeah man, later. That's good. Later. Me just tell you a lie just the same way. Later. Come back later. No, the too blasted lie, man. If lie was a person, girl, you see you know you insult me. You insult me integrity. Yeah, man, I can come back only. If you want.
Hiya.
What? Yeah, man, I can't come back only. Yeah, I really mean it, man. I really mean it. Alright. See you too. Man.
This one, how can I have you out here? What, man?
Alright. No, man, alright, just about correct in this. Because if I was you just love in that room, set a mark, going just like.
Okay, so now come over for the veranda. I'll come over for the veranda.
Alright, go on, you get used to it now.
Alright, so me run back over it last night. Make some correct spell night cause some of my words and they move fast. Some of them never spell right. But me come to finish up here now, because a couple days me coming down.
Yeah, man.
Finish up here just the last
want
one.
to done now, man, I tell you.
Oh, but me forgot the pen or the pencil. Can I give more pencil?
Let's go look for one, car.
Are you freaking? Nah.
What is now? TikTok, you're not normal, you know. You're regular like the next one, sir. If you ain't freaky. Dep on the TikTok fully now, my friend.
Yeah, man, I see you.
You follow me?
Yeah, me follow you, but you don't follow me back.
No, that's not it, man. That's just the time. Forget for a man still. So it's going to have no shirt. I didn't go all shower.
Before you go on the show,
Let's
let's get this over with. So we can get my little bit of money. Because the money a little bit few much today, me they come here, you know. Alright, so let me tell you what I reach you now.
I'm going to get like some breakfast now, man. Could you get some breakfast come?
Now you had me come. And you should have make your woman look for breakfast for you 2 hours. Because you may come work for.
Actually, me I talked to a while ago. And I Gina she. Because the girl lying. Me have to call that girl all about. And my ex-woman I know do. I'm left her. So I forgot my grandmother where she come from, man. Because when the girl just start talk, she tell me say she went to turn doctor. And she step out like because, but she well bright. She gets scholarship and she just, you know. So, and her parents are rich. Maybe I think say her 2 parents are rich, make. You know, she not really learn because her mother owned a piece of sandals, her father named Matalan, own a lot of land. And all the person when the girl tell me, you know, me say she lie, everything which, so I wonder what everything which come out of her mouth. She tell me she's a virgin. But I wonder, I know enough women say that, so when I test it, I know she's a virgin. But I will like to that because most women say it. But why? I wonder, in like 2 lines, I'm let her go. This was she come now, because so she tell me lie, I tell her lie, say me I take her back. Put her out last night to your man, but she talked to her a while ago. When she come, I tell her I joke there, me just have the same treatment and lie me tell her.
You're wicked, you know. So how far she come from?
Well, she come from a little bit out of Sav, man. I just want half an hour drive to maybe. Oh, so that's a baby something, man. Me drive from yes, I go Kingston. If you go check your father if you buy a land for him for one cheap price. And then the rest 7 but on attack the man almost white. Ain't she too lie, man? I should told me tell her to come check me. To get the same time and my dad nigga me send her a town. When she reach up, I say, oh, I drop me there, make. That I'm going to do to her. Me not done with that. When she come, I send her some place. Watch and see. Me get locked up at the you know. Yeah, man, I go up a standards. I book out myself over them and I tap in the car and I say, mother-in-law, one piece side. Bright and face, so me I deal with them. Yo, mother-in-law, one piece of this in the mouth. Yo, you, pick up that from there, sir. Yo, move that, sir. Go over there, sir. And so me I try to deal with people and them deal with me rough. One of them diss me, I diss them back. I'll be a fight and fist and, you know what I mean? You will see the fight on stage yet when I start say, hold this, hold a box. And so me I have to deal with security them and soon. And afterwards now, I really have to apologize to them because I didn't lie what she tell me. I'm gonna get locked up.
She couldn't get in a problem, they say.
We get locked up! And she come bail me.
Yeah, but the thing about you couldn't get in a more problem. You couldn't not come out and no.
Yo, she not even know. But everything good though. Back to your work still. I don't want to talk all the time.
Yeah, man. Me there part when time the boss pay Derek to visit. Pay Jugs to visit Derek.
Yeah. So that part which part in that story?
In the last part, man, when time something is still at my boat. When time something there, Jugs stop up Derek and Reggie go for him. And save his life and so on. Reggie go say to him. Derek go say to him say if he get back.
Oh, get them back.
Get them
so
back.
So that revenge part.
Yeah, revenge part with it.
Oh. Yeah man, a good part with them man. So that means that but that don't want to look long in tail now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna write out it to a certain dimension and then when we think about it, the fully end, we just call it back. You want to look at extra money, so we just will finalize, alright? Because I like the story, so I don't want to rush.
Yeah man, I want bad story man, good.
Alright, so we don't want part now. She come again. Yeah, hello? Yeah man! Yeah, me up here man, me up here. Me don't want nothing man, me not hungry. No, me don't want no porridge. Me don't want no tea. Me don't want no soup. Me don't want no patty. No, me don't want no chocolate.
Hello. Remember me as someone if you go, you know.
Yes. My friend I write have a story here. Alright. Me there. She at least got everything what she want. She just want to buy me something. She want to sweet mouth me. She want to tie me. But you don't have food.
Why? The argument is too big for me. Come, I'm sure I come for right. No for your business.
Alright, so we're there now. The Derek Send call who? Where's the last part?
The part when time Jug stab up Derek, man.
Oh, the other part there?
Yeah.
You done that part there?
Yeah, I done the part there when time, I done the part when Reggie had mouth in water and just wound and Derek said to Reggie saying if he get revenge. And that's what I read.
Ah, you tell him get revenge already?
Yeah.
Alright, so go to our next scene now.
Oh, so skip that one and now?
Skip that scene there and go to the next scene.
Alright.
So now Reggie take up get a new brand machete.
Machete, yeah, machete.
Machete, I see everything, man. Yeah, man, he's get a new machete, you know what I mean? And him sharpen that and him get some of the shoes them. When I say shoes, I know what I mean.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, he get some shoes for, you know, on a couple players. And then him seek for revenge. So that part of sword revenge, you go find the people them different.
Alright.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Me not there!
What you mean saying that did you be I talk to me? Come with the bill now.
Really and truly, you know. I joke with the iron there. Me and them back here.
So why you make me come to your army and you can't tell
I
me
want
what
to
you
lie
want?
what you tell me. I have to tell them I give you one lie to feel satisfied now. So I joke with them, me. Just like you tell me other lie, they will tell me
Me
three
nice
lies.
son for morning.
Go back home. I will call you next time.
There's no next time.
Alright, well later. That's what I do. Yeah, alright. That's all you tell me what 10 lie, I'm tell you one.
You're wicked, you know?
No, really and truly. If somebody tell them you get locked up.
No, she wicked, you know. But the fact that you make
She tell me go touch.
son.
She made me go town.
We're in a car.
Yes, but the sun is still hot. Now if you want to do the toll,
But it's not bitches.
it's embarrassment. When you go a place, yo.
Why?
You not even know still.
The fun is still not funny, don't know.
Come.
We don't deserve each other, we're not funny.
You're not funny. Or you come and get your money.
Yeah, that boy don't come here to go in. So how you look so young, come to yourself, so what?
True.
Talk to me, man.
No man, me walk in my son come over here about home if you come over here. No, me come over here, I can't tell about this and that if you go back to my yard.
So I wanna really have.
You know, say me and him left.
Again?
And then he call me. And me come over there, say you see me now in the sun.
That's good. Girl, that the toy then are hot. Me tell you
So what I'm to you, where you suit there?
Girl, right now, my bend. A bag of things go on. You know, so somebody broke in my place and T4. And T4 my uniform.
Now, we are say to
my
me?
police vest. And I don't know it's a policewoman that's assault. I don't know what kind of all those from me down for me.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. And
You know, say
my
more
things, them a gun and my badge. You know, I'm safe aside. Then I get to thief that. That's a good thing. But anybody you see, anybody else all you see, they look shaky.
You know, say, what you lock him up for me, can you tell me lie?
You know, if I talk about lie, man, tell lie, man. I tell lie, you tell that man there. And I'm going to tell lie, two on deserve each other. I can't lock him up. So I have to figure that out. But right now, I want to find out who thief my uniform because anybody me catch a fraudulent, like, you know, later. Fraudulent, yeah, first charge.
You know, for a man, me there, nice.
Girl, stop lying to him, man. I am the man soon gone back. Relax yourself.
Alright, so the part I'm moving in, that part go nice, you know.
Hi, Ross.
One it up.
Don't you go, some hotty, man. Come let me in, man. Some hot, man. Please, I can't come in.
Well, tell me how you again. Come in, I'm calm, I don't know the face. to know if you're letting
Oh,
somebody
you have to
know.
forget a face like this, and me come call your girlfriend, make your girlfriend come daily, and me and the police
Oh.
come call your girlfriend.
Officer, what going?
Yes,
So
man,
you not seen a
yes,
uniform,
man.
man. You not seen a uniform.
That I want to talk to you about fire.
Oh, so you want to come in?
Yes, man, look at you, one, show you free.
I'm not fire there for you, because you're good police, you know.
So I'm anything good, man.
Oh, they're not
Anything
no.
balance.
Huh?
Anything balance, I'm not fire me. Them can't fire me so easy.
Oh,
They're good police.
I'm not putting on put me in police force. I'm putting on put me in.
Oh, man, you see, you know, how you want to know. It don't take a lot of things for you to get in the force, but you know what I say. You know, when I was a small broke from a place and TV uniform.
So I mean, accuse me, say me TV.
No, fire, oh God, man. I don't accuse you. I know you're not coming down the way. I know you go on and cuss and something and go on yourself.
So what I go on? Where am I to feel now?
I'm
buy back on
you know
uniform.
you're a man in the streets, fire. Zane.
Yeah.
You know you're a man in the streets. And so any little thing go on, you know what going on in the place. And really. Somebody broken on the place and give me uniform. And give me uniform and my vest for police vest and all of them something.
Then TV pipe too?
No. That didn't know one safe. I go on my badge, it did not safe. Then I'm going to get to that, but I want you to keep an eye out and look at things.
Yeah, any man
Let me
is
know,
suspicious.
because anybody
Yeah.
we catch a judgment, enough charges are going to depend them.
Alright.
And I go on back my thing then.
Alright,
Just
so.
give you one word and make you know where I go on, so make me know where I go on. Keep me posted on one.
Sister, my friend in there, so come here there. Come here there. I'm a police friend, this is what you know, when them lock me up at sandals, you know.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, man,
Hi.
I'm a writer.
Doing? Nice to meet you. Nice
Yeah,
to
man.
meet you.
He must say, somebody broke in our house
Yes, man.
and thief out
Yeah.
in police vest and in police hat, but they never get the pipe, they get the gun for them or nothing, but them have the, so anybody you see with it, contact me, is there a reward?
So in here that one, if me see somebody with it, and you
No,
catch
no,
it,
no,
reward, you went on a reward is not there, but anybody, wait, no, still can get a look at thing, man, for you.
Oh, yeah, man.
I love you now,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
still
I
can
love,
bless
yeah.
you with that thing, but
Any,
no
alright,
strong,
no,
strong
no,
reward.
I'm not that, but me I say, you know, saying in Jamaica, money
Money run
make
things,
things
true.
work. So if there was a money penny,
Yes, man.
no mind someone that will be back
man.
uniform
Yeah,
here.
man. Yeah, man,
Yeah, man.
somebody.
Alright, so anybody you see, Avi,
Yes, man.
you just make me know, my contact sheet, then get back I think, me get the money, me give her money on time.
No. If me see them and me forget the money.
But I mean I put it on the
If
road.
you see them and you get the, or you
If me see them, me give
Yeah.
10%.
and
If you see them,
me get 10%.
you give me 40%.
I have a shift. You have a shift. You have a shift.
Yeah, man.
Just one balance up, but keep
So
an eye out
what?
for
So
me.
if you see it, we call 119.
119.
Or 911.
Pass.
Which
No,
one?
119.
Alright.
911, I'm firing them.
Alright.
119. One better for the
Burn it down. You lucky they never thief you too. Cause you're police and now they broke in your place. Oh. Can you think about something? Cause me like that. Come down, person. Come here.
But you know what I'm saying? Alright, so I hit you.
Finally. Alright, so now I'm going to feed money for you. Alright.
Don't look extra funny.
No, me tell you, I remember saying up, the movie not done. Me have to go into details how the man do the revenge. So that whole part of the year money do that's more paid and all. Because you don't put some money for every year.
Remember 20?
Around 20, me don't run them through up there.
Oh, yeah, but I don't know what's there. I don't want to come back here.
Literally. If the woman never lied and him mother and father rich true, would I give all 40, 50, 60. I'm let you out.
At 20, with the agree upon.
No, I'm going to 15. I went 10 first, I'll go to 15. So let's come.
But it changed now. My service is high, you know.
Alright.
So we know where Mr. First coming here.
What's your job? You look up on the right now.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and you go do what you do. See it? Yeah, man. So, reach to the end of that movie. New rules. Yeah, you know, so we're not the December season. You know what I mean? And we're fight to build JAMMIWOOD studio, same speed. I go see if I can. Yeah, I'm show you a little part of it. Alright. Gonna ask for the thing there. See it here? Live and direct. You know what I mean? So the donation is still needed. But you start work on it. But give thanks to the donator them who donate and bring it thus far. You know what I mean? Without only possible. You don't want to sell, but you don't want to the name call out. You know what I mean? So this is it. Take what you take. Big up MP3 from the beginning. You know what I mean? Go over to our channel. Show her the love and the support, same speech. You get 100k, you know? No 100, 1,000. But we should get 100. So, you know what I mean? Let's go. So we're there, go and put in some work as usual. So this is a prison and it's well needed. We have a new show. We have build phone, watch and thing. And we need the prison scene. So if I done the prison today, we are shooting it tomorrow. So the studio is well needed still because more content. Apart from that still, I want to go over to my TikTok page. You go up on the screen here, right? You go over people who in a TikTok world. Come on, I'm going to get in a TikTok world so we can participate in the game them. I mean, have something come up for Christmas for everybody same speed. You know what I mean? Not for everybody, but for who want to participate. You know what I mean? JAMMIWOOD, game and fun. You know what I mean? So we go have some fun, play some game, give back, give back, give back. You know what I mean? So I go. Give and take. You know things. You know what I mean? Give and take. Yo, skip on one side first. You hear me? Over there, I put it on every most of the thing them. And not only that, I am now on TikTok. You know what I mean? So if you're a fan of TikTok or not, please go over to my channel and follow me on TikTok. And I want to be into the games them, you know what I mean? That's the next platform I want to go into, where I think it would help my YouTube channel same speed, because I have a lot of people out there that would like to support, you know what I mean? So by giving the gift them upon JAMMIWOOD, yeah, that would help the support monetary for JAMMIWOOD so I can create more content. Time to come, I will start, you know, add skit, some little short skit on it and thing, you know what I mean? So, one step forward, you know what I mean? Some more work we are putting, you know? So give thanks for watching on this lovely day. Remember, support is needed, you know what I mean? If you can't do it, tell somebody who can, you know what I mean? Because when you're doing the good fight, it's hard, I know, but we just stick to God, you know what I mean? And that's all I can say is that I try to good. So please support God and let God get strength. Because if you look around, good don't get strength all the while. You know what I mean? So blessed, a blessed day. Let's go.